Hey guys, Daniel down at Horsepower Factory. This week we had the Lexus LX570 in, 2021 model, and we've just done a Harrop 2650 Supercharger kit with pretty impressive results. So it's a 2650 kit from Harrop, which is a 2.65 litre supercharger. It's a stage 2 kit, which is also a fuel pump and 650cc injectors, which is needed for the level of boost, as it is a 80mm pulley on the front of it. Some of you might know this car, but it does have a 3UR V8 engine in it from Toyota. It's got a big water to air heat exchanger in the front of it for the supercharger. It's freshly come off the dyno and the results speak for themselves. When the car arrived, it had 160 kilowatt at the tyres. We increased that to 270 kilowatt, which is an amazing 70% increase, and another staggering 50% increase in torque. But it's not always about power figures. Let's get it on the road and see what the drivability is like. This car is super impressive from the factory, but with the supercharger fitted, it's even more impressive with incredible torque off the line and amazing acceleration. Even with the added torque and power of this vehicle, there is still no compromise in fuel economy. So overall, a fantastic upgrade for this luxury four-wheel drive. As far as we're concerned, the first Lexus LX570 2021 to be done in Australia, and you can only get it here at Horsepower Factory. What do I do with my hands?
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
It'd be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
At the end of the day,